Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see how we can use plants to detect pollution. Plants can be a good indicator of certain types of contaminants present in the atmosphere. Now there are different types of plants which we can use, and all these plants, they behave differently in the presence of different types of contaminants. Possible use of plants is there in a variety of industrial sectors as pollution detectors, and it is being done worldwide. The aim is to provide information about the presence of toxic components which can come from a variety of wide sources, maybe industries, maybe automobiles and other such sources. Now, unlike biosensors, the plants are used as an entire पूरे plants को plant किया जाता है वहाँ पे, और बहुत simplified straightforward approach है. और plants जो हैं then those plants are observed over time to see if there is some changing happening in the plants. The varieties used have been selected for the abilities to identify contaminants by reacting to the specific effects these substances have on the plant's vital functions. बहुत से different plants हैं, वो different contaminants के against different तरह से behave करते हैं, different तरह से react करते हैं. So depending on how they are reacting, one can tell that which type of toxic compounds could be present in that atmosphere. So that's how one can easily detect the quality of atmosphere on a certain area. Now there are so many important aspects, advantages attached to using plants as indicators of pollution. They can function over a broad pH range and under a variety of climate conditions. Simple plantation है, different pH को भी ये exist कर सकते हैं, and obviously different types of climates को भी ये bear कर सकते हैं. So very easy to maintain. Responsive to both long-term pollution or incidental spillages. No matter how long pollution is there, कब से वहाँ पे pollution कब तक रहेगी, कितना long exposure है pollution का, the plants will still grow. However, they will behave differently in the presence of different types of contaminants, in the presence of different concentrations of those contaminants. Plants फिर भी grow करेंगे, लेकिन वो react different तरीके से करेंगे, and it is their reaction to the atmosphere which tells us the quality of the atmosphere, and which tells us what kind of contaminants could be present in that atmosphere. It can be applied to either laboratory or on-site investigations to monitor air, soil or water. Simple, हम इनको laboratories में भी use कर सकते हैं if we have samples of different types of effluents, different types of soils, and if you want to see very easily that what kind of contaminants could be there, what could be the quality of that sample, we can grow the plants in that effluent, in that soil, in laboratories as well. Moreover, we can apply these on fields as well. On-site investigations can also be performed for a variety of different types of samples, sites and different types of contaminants. This was about how we can use plants to detect pollution in different areas. I will see you in next lessons.